Oh my Lord. What a beautiful cat. I say hello, pretty kitty. How are you? Hello. You're so beautiful. Oh my God. All you cool cats and kittens. Anyway, got a pretty cool shipment here. Brand new Stoptech rotors, Bob. And so the question is, how much lighter is this sweet two-piece Stoptech rotor versus slightly used? Okay, I would say that it doesn't really have any weight taken off of it, but it has been on a car before.
Yep.
It's got a little extra dust, ladybug.
Got a ladybug on there.
So, you know, accuracy be damned.
But, add the weight of your common household ladybug, I guess.
Well, here we have 25.8 pounds. All right, which, I mean, this is a big freaking rotor. How big is this rotor?
If I could pull on it hard and make it longer, I would.
Oh, I know you would. I can tell you what, it don't work. You can pull on it all you want. Don't get any longer. 14 and some change.
Brand is that rotor? Is that Mopar OEM? What are we on?
I believe so. But, I mean, how am I supposed to tell?
I have no idea.
By the taste?
Yeah.
Bite it?
I have no idea, dude.
I can't tell. So anyway,
all right. Moving on.
And you can tell, you know, if you look at the vanes inside, it doesn't really have... It doesn't cool.
It doesn't draw any air through the rotor.
Check that out, dude. I mean, it's worth it. This is worth it for the bling. And
she's got vanes, dude.
but look at them vanes.
Got vanes.
Yeah. As she spins, it uses centrifugal force to cool the rotor. Oh my God.
Draw air through the rotor, cool it. Also, the aluminum hat dissipates heat as well.
There we are. 18 pounds. So it's a savings of over 7 pounds per rotor. Better cooling, lightweight. You're saving over 7 pounds per corner on rotating unsprung weight. That's huge, dude. It's huge. So pumped. So pumped. But there's the story, Lori. Saving weight, better temperature control, dissipation, and
potentially more performance if you knew how to drive, but Raven doesn't.
We're going fast. Dude, man, Bob, you know, you're talking a lot of crap for somebody who's going to be painfully... You're going to be a sore loser, dude, this year.
I don't think so, dude.
Hey, man.
I've been a gracious victor. All right, I've been nothing but a good wiener. All right.
You are. Yeah, you got a lot to do with a wiener. I'll tell you that. I'm pretty excited. I'm just pretty excited about these rotors. 2 pieces. It looked great.
This and the rest of the modifications you're making this year should make a noticeable difference, right? Hopefully.
I think just as anything, seat time is going to be clutch. I think I'm going to come into Hastings and the rest of the events this year quite a bit faster. You know, I read a book by Nigel Mansell, dude. I mean, that's worth it. F1 champion. You know, the people's champion. I mean,
all right.
They're going to be calling me Ray Ellsworth the people's champion.
Okay, all right. Well, let's just end it with that load of whatever it is.
Let me put this back in our primo Stoptech storage department.
We better put that back in the storage department there.